telling. We brought the section. They keep on calling up. It's getting hectic. Like we projected. So we got the plug. It's interjected. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Got me stargazing. Sipping on Brooklyn like the bar, baby. Whatever I got, it got me going crazy. Psychedelics got me going crazy. I've been up for some days, I ain't got time to lay. Just to drown out all these thoughts, I tried all kind of things. If I take you to my past, you will be traumatized. Got 1,000 kids outside that's trying to come alive. 99 to gas your roller, had to relocate. Told the dogs I bring it back, it was a silver fate. Before no condos, baby girl, she played the tourist guide. Got the keys into my city, now she notarized. Got new money, got new problems, got new enemies. When you make it to the top, just the amenities. Packing out Toyota like I'm in the league. And it ain't a mosh pit if ain't no injuries. I got him stage diving out the nosebleeds. And she hit that booger sugar till her nose bleed. Bounce that shit forever, she on both knees. She was talking about forever, got a whole week. Plus you know my baby mama is a trophy. She be throwing up the beats, feel like we both bleed. She keep my dick jumping out, feel like I'm Moby. I'm way too gold for this beef, feel like I'm Kobe. Yeah. This right here is astronomical. I see you picked up on my ways, I feel responsible. They're trying to say that all my problems is improbable. They keep itching at my spirit, I'm diabolical, you feel me?